Hello, the peace of the Lord be with you. I'm glad I can share with you some news concerning worship at our church. First, I'm so appreciative of the many people in our family of faith who are serving Christ in new and creative ways in order to further the kingdom and transform the world. The past couple of weeks, Houston County and the state of Alabama have seen a record number of new COVID-19 cases. Several days during the past 2 weeks, the new COVID-19 cases in Alabama and Houston County have been higher than we've seen since this pandemic began, since we began looking at numbers on May the 10th. Because of these high numbers, the Alabama Department of Public Health designated Houston County as a high-risk county on July the 2nd. The past 2 weeks, I've spoken with 6 of our members who have tested positive for COVID-19. Over half of those testing positive are under 36 years of age. In the past 2 weeks, I've also spoken with 5 of our members and 5 of our staff members who've been exposed to someone else who tested positive for COVID-19. So far, all of those are feeling okay. Many of you are aware of 2 churches in Dothan that began in-person worship services several weeks ago and have now had to close again. Both Wiregrass Church down the road from us and Covenant United Methodist Church had to cancel their in-person worship, and Covenant United Methodist Church had to shut down their weekday child care program. Let's pray for both of these churches as they move forward. In making decisions about in-person worship, I continue to rely on input from several sources. A great team of 5 of our local physicians, a group of 7 wonderful elected church leaders, our staff colleagues or my staff colleagues, our bishop, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and state and federal leaders. I do understand that not everyone will agree with the decision I'm announcing today, and I want you to know that I am very comfortable with differing opinions about these issues. These sort of issues are complex, and there isn't a book to turn to in order to find the answers about the way forward. As always, I'm glad to speak with you about your concerns on this subject. I can be easily reached most of the time at 333-2995. Several staff teams have prepared us for the day when we will engage in-person worship again, and for the day when we will gather for small groups and Sunday school here in our facilities. Their work has been exemplary, and we are ready to open. However, the state of Alabama and Houston County are not. We are not seeing an overall downward trend within a variance of 10% in new cases of COVID-19 cases in Houston County and Alabama. Instead, we are seeing increases. So we will not begin offering in-person worship on July the 19th, and I hate that. Not gathering with each of you seems so unnatural. I miss being with you. Our new target date for in-person worship is August the 9th. As always with COVID-19, we will watch the numbers and adjust our plans accordingly. We will continue to offer a live streaming of our bridge service and sanctuary service at 8:55 each Sunday. I know as I attempt to shepherd our church during this challenging season, you also are in ministry caring for your family, friends, neighbors, and work colleagues. So I want to leave you with a paraphrase of some wise words one of our physicians repeatedly offers me. The words are, keep the faith and follow the science. I think that's really good counsel for all of us. Keep the faith and follow the science, and I believe God will be with us all in the days ahead. Peace and grace to you.